They may taste bitter, but they can save your life. Always keep your pouch full of medicinal berries, flowers, and plants.
Where are we?
This valley is just a part of All Mother's embrace.
Embrace.
The Nora tribe watches these lands and keeps out the most dangerous machines. Usually.
Whatever intel the senators got stashed, hope it's worth the risk. You never give up hope, do you, buddy?
Did you see what the old man had in his briefcase?
No, he didn't open it.
Did the old man try to stop the clown?
Oh, he didn't have a chance. The
pipes were such an attraction.
Take a look at this false nose.
I've never seen it before in my life.
But something always got in the way.
Come on, get out of here!
But the call of the mines was too strong. So one day, I started digging and digging until I found this.
Scimpagne bem? Vamos, pero.